Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to yet another episode of Quranocytics, where verses of the Quran are analyzed in the light of science and mathematics. In today's video, we are going to look at the greatest disbeliever of all time. You see, in every aspect of life, there are those who have excelled in whatever the activity might be, righteousness or unrighteousness. Through the entire human history of kufr, that is disbelief in the power or existence of Allah, the most infamous person who had crossed all boundaries and limits set by Allah to the extent of calling himself a deity or God to be worshipped was the famous Pharaoh with whom Prophet Musa alayhi salam struggled with. In Surah Nazi'at, that is chapter 79 verse 24 of the Quran, Allah narrates to us what the arrogant Pharaoh had claimed to his people about being a god, when he says, "A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, faqala ana rabbukumul a'la," which means saying, "I am your Lord most high." These were the words Pharaoh said to his people to deceive and misguide them. And so in the verse following it, Allah tells us that he has seized him with a punishment that befitted him, together with his hosts who also believed in him. This clearly means that in the preceding verses, Allah did not refute or condemn the false claims of Pharaoh directly. But to show the unique design and order of the Quran, he wisely condemned Pharaoh's lies in a different way. How do we get to that, you might ask? Take the chapter and verse numbers and sum them together. You will get 79 plus 24, which equals 103. Then check the answer 103 in Surah Yunus, that is chapter 10, verse 3. You'll find it sensibly, sweetly, softly, but swiftly, stating that our Lord is one, he who created the heavens and the earth, and therefore Pharaoh's false claim is logically proven wrong and rejected. The verse says, "Inna rabbakumullahu alladhi khalaqa samawati wal ard fi sittati ayyamin thumma stawa ala al-arsh yudabbiru al-amr ma min shafi'in illa min ba'di idhnihi dhalikumullahu rabbukum fa'buduhu afala tadhakkarun," which translates as, "Surely your Lord is Allah who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days and then istawa al-arsh, that is, rose over the throne, disposing the affairs of all things. No intercessor can plead with him except after his leave. That is your Lord, so worship him alone. Then will you not remember?" It's obvious that the verse cleverly and carefully confirms Allah's oneness while counteracting the false claims of Pharaoh in the wisest way. To imagine that this perfect design is a coincidence will surely be an injustice to one's sincere sense. Until we meet in the next episode of Quranocytics for more scientific and mathematical analysis of the Quran. Before then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.